Good afternoon. Ayan. Dahil 28 ngayon, super init. Punta kami sa... Papanan tayo, Kambal? Where? Where at? Punta kami sa... Spray Park. Kasi super init. Ayan. Madami ng mga bata dito. Ayan. Ayan. Dito sila naglalaro yung mga bata pag mainit na kasi may tubig. Tubig. Oh, good job. Okay.
Ooh, it's my this is my friend named Dogcon.
Your friend?
This is Dogcon's brother.
Get your... You know what? I'll get my umbrella.
Wait.
Okay, get your...
He's holding a balloon.
Let's go. Ayan. Oh, uy. Ang sarap ng what's that?
There's a broken rock.
Broken rock. Okay. But I will go to the shade, okay? I'll go to the shade. I will go there. Come here. Bring your... Put your drink here. May Pilipino doon. Nagbike sila tapos ayan, diba? Oh, Michael, Matthew, it's okay. You can use your slipper. Smoothie. Strawberry, blueberries, avocado, and banana flavor. Ayan. What's that? Yummy?
Yeah.
Look at me. Look at me. Oh my God. How did you do that? What are you doing? You wanna go fishing? Where's your fishing rod? Huh? Where's your fishing rod? Can you get a rock? Sarap ng simoy ng hangin. Did end. It's nice. Next time we bring a coffee here. Oh, sarap na. Come here. Look. Oh my God. Ang sarap ng maupo sa gilid ng lake. Yeah. Say hi.
Hi. A feather.
What feather is that?
Titanic feather.
Titanic feather?
Yeah. A Titanic eagle feather. A Titanic.
That's eagle.
Candy. That's
Eagle feather.
no, that's a candy from Stranger's feathers.
Walking.
I want to get candy from Strangers.
What?
I want to get candy from Strangers. Candy from Strangers.
Like me?
Look at my face and my hand and my arms. And my arms too. What am I doing?
Fresh na fresh. Yan, tapos na ang gala-gala. Yan. Uwi yan na para mag-prepare ng supper. Supper time. Okay, bye. See you next time.